So, my name is Robin Wildt Hansen. I'm the author of 3 books, and I would like to invite you to my course on creative writing and self-publishing. And in this course, we will cover a number of topics. We are going to cover, first of all, why we write, and this is a subject that talks about the deeper meanings of writing and also where each person gets to tell about their motivation for writing, because this is very important. Writing is one of the most, it's one of the things that needs the most discipline, so therefore you need quite a lot of motivation in order to sit down and write. We are also going to talk about structure a lot in this course. So everybody has their own style, and so we're not going to focus so much on developing your individual style, because that will come by itself because you are this individual person and you are who you are. But the thing that I can help you with is actually having an individual, the thing I can help you with is having structure, because the structure will help you. I mean, when I was developing my novel writing skills, first of all, I didn't put so much emphasis on structure, and I grew to regret that. It meant that I had to rewrite and rewrite and rewrite, but I learned a lot from that process, and it's something that I want to teach you too. So we're going to look at various models that will help us with structure. We're going to look at the hero's journey model, based on The Hero with 1,000 Faces by Joseph Campbell, and the model that is used basically in all Hollywood movies these days, and we're going to talk about why it is used. We will also use the snowflake method, which is a method for creating a structure. So it's not a structure in itself like the hero's journey is, or the hero's journey is more like a meta structure, you could say. And also, very crucially, we will be talking about show, don't tell, and this is something that a lot of people misunderstand, and therefore it's very important to use this. And it's something that my own writing radically changed once I learned to use show, don't tell. During the course, we will write 2 short stories, and it's the second short story that you will focus on the most. In that second short story, you will prepare it for publication. So we're also going to talk about how to format for Amazon, etc. And at the end, I'm going to be giving you feedback along the way. And if you do the first story in great detail, then I'll be able to give you some very helpful feedback that will help you with the second story. And then at the end, we're going to work on the formatting, as I said, and we're going to publish together in the last session. And that is usually a very festive event where the energy of all this writing and all this learning is released. So it's always great at the end of the course that we've created something completely new and that we're putting it out in the world. And on the evening of the last session, our anthology of short stories will be live on Amazon.